Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is Gajanan from Tech Rudransi, and today we're gonna learn how we can generate signed APK using Android Studio. So in this part I will teach you step by step, right? So let's see the examples and let's see the demo so you can understand how it works, right? And after that we will generate signed APK, right? So this is my mobile phone, right? And these are the apps, which is the app release.apk. It's working fine when I generate using Android Studio signed APK, which is the release version, right? So I want to show you the app which we have installed, which is this one, right? Which is this one, and when we click it here, actually it's working nice and perfect, and it's installed, it's compatible for all the OS of Android, right? So this is the app which we have built through Android Studio, right? So it's working fine. Actually this is me, right? So today we have to build signed APK, right? So I want to show you one more thing, so the things will be clear to understand to generate signed APK, right? So this is the Android project, which is the Gajanan Rathore. You just click and just go to app, right? And you need to go release, and here is the app release.apk. we need to generate like this, right? So this is my previous project, so I want to teach you from scratch, so we need to create a new project, right? So go to file, go to new and new project, right? And then you need to give your project name, right? I'm giving my application, right? So next you don't need to change anything, empty activity, right? And finish it. So project has been created, and now we need to build this application. This is the empty project, but we need to understand to build signed APK. So let's go build and go to generate signed APK, right? And here is the key store path, right? So we don't have a key store path it here, so we need to create a new, right? So create a new, right? And here we need to give a path, right? So let's click it here, and you can store this key to anywhere in your computer, right? So I'm storing in an E drive, right? And here this is the E drive, right? This is E drive, and you can store anything in your computer, right? I mean anywhere in your computer, and you just need to give a name which is key, and any name you can give. I'm giving key, and let's click on OK, right? So this is my key path, which is jks file, right? It's automatically created in a D drive, right? So here you need to type a password, right? So what any password you can type, right? st, right? And here is the confirm password, and here also a password, any password you can type it here. You can also type same password here and here as well, right? No matter. And here is your first name and last name, right? My name is Gajanan Rathore, right? And this is one field is compulsory, right? Mandatory to fill, right? So you can put your organization name, your company name, your city, locality, state, anything you can type, right? But this information is sufficient to create a signed APK. So let's click on OK, right? So it will take a little bit time, right? So we need to remember this password, right? And everything is fine. Click it next, and it will ask you for debug and release, right? So if you wanted to upload on Play Store, so just select the release, and if you want to test your app, just select debug, right? So I want to upload on Play Store, so I have select this release, and this is the version 1 and version 2 anything, but you always select this version 2, right, for release version. So let's finish it. So it will take a 1 to 2 minutes to build your APK files, right? So we have to wait, right? So here is the message, your app APK generated successfully, and we need to click it here to locate our APK files. Let's click on locate. So it's automatically open our project it here, and we need to go always release, and here is the app release.apk. This APK release file on your Play Store, right? So today we have understood how we can generate signed APK. If you like this video, please go to here and subscribe my channel. So next time I will come with a new thing. Till then, bye, take care.